What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to embed or how to share and display a Google Drawings graphic or charts into your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on our site's favors. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to Google. So Google Drawings, okay, you can type this on Google, just like this. Go to the very first results, docs.google.com, drawings. You can create your graphic. In my case, it's gonna be a very simple one, just like this, but you can create very complex graphics or charts into this platform, and all it's online, free, shareable, and works great. So a lot of people use to display data across the companies and some reunions. Okay, so after your graphic made, you're gonna need to share this graphic on your site. How to do this? Go to File, okay, into the upper right corner, into the upper left corner of our screen, click on File. Right here, hover a mouse over Share, okay? And we have two options, Share with others and Publish to Web. We're gonna click on Publish to Web. Right here, we're gonna be able to see two options, okay? I'm gonna share the both ones with you, okay? So the very first one, it's the option to embed, and this option requires a bit of coding. And the other option that I'm gonna explain later into this video only needs the link. But let's start with the embed. With this code copied, remember that you can choose from small, medium, or large. Okay, I'm gonna choose medium and copy the entire code. It's published, but if yours is not, click on Publish button to make this online. After this, go to WordPress website dashboard, review where you would like to display this graphic. It can be on one of your posts, one of your pages, one of your products, a custom post type maybe. In my case, it's gonna be into one of my posts, okay? So click on posts, select the post that you would like to edit or create a new one. Right here, we're gonna be able to see a little plus button into the right section of my screen, this one right here, to add a new block. Click on it. And from here, you're gonna search for in widget called HTML, the custom HTML. Click on it. Now place your code, and here is the results you got. Okay, simple, easy, and effective. And now it's already embedded. However, as you can see, this is not fully customizable and requires a little bit of code. But how to do this simpler? Remember that this one is already made. You can publish your post, update your post, okay, if this results is good for you. If not, go back to our WordPress dashboard. Let's go back once again to the Google Drawings. Still on Publish on the web, we're gonna select Link right here. Make sure we did publish it and copy the link, okay? Now, we'll move back to our WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins, click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of the screen, next to Keyword, into Search Plugins, we're gonna type Embed. Just like this. Scroll it down until you can find a plugin called Embed Press. Embed PDF, YouTube, Google Docs, Vimeo, Insta, videos, audios, maps, any documents in Gutenberg and Elementor. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. There is basically nothing to do right here, but let's focus into the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. You're gonna be able to find a new menu called Embed Press next to Appearance. Here is the plugin features. If you go to the plugin and click on Sources, you're gonna be able to see how many options this plugin offers, okay? All for free. So let's go to the post where you would like to embed your Google Drawings. Now, instead of choosing the HTML, click into Add New Block and search for Google. Just like this. And right here, we're going to be able to see all of the Google embed elements. Right here we have the Google Drawings. Click on it. Now we have copied the link, as you can see. Just place the link right here and click on Embed. If you click into this element, you're going to be able to apply a block name or additional CSS if in the case that you want to steal code. If not, all we have to do is click on publish the post or update the post and you are good to go. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth or 3ws.net, a place where we can promote your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free, okay? Or sites.gallery, a place where we can promote your site, mobile app, design, layout, landing page, or maybe even a game you can promote right here, be awarded, and connect with a growing designers community. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business style, in addition with all our themes, plugins, templates, assets, icons, layouts, blocks, and our full support. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!